Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily connect your Creative Pebble Nova speakers to your device using a cable. At first you will need a jack cable, which is jack to jack cable. This cable is exactly like this one. Wait a moment, like this one here. Then we have to find the jack port in our speaker. We have to find the main one. Wait a moment, let me just here we do have the additional one. This is the main one, and here, as you can see, we have AUX. You have to plug here this jack cable in this AUX port, but of course with caution, do not damage anything like I do sometimes. And now, as you can see, the source switched to the aux. Now you have to plug the second part of this cable into our device. And when it's done, we are ready to use our speaker. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.